Of all the things that we packed and carried to Japan, this thing made it. But honestly, the espresso machine has made it feel a little more like home. And speaking of home, we just moved into our apartment. So we wanted to share with you some of the unique features and new routines we've been adjusting to in our new Japanese home. The first thing is this compact washer and dryer combo. It's one machine that does both, but every Japanese apartment has a balcony, and that is mainly for hanging clothes to dry. Next, in the kitchen, there's no standard oven. Instead, there's a small built-in grill and our microwave that doubles as a convection oven. One nice surprise is that our apartment actually has a dishwasher. Another thing that we've had to get used to are these control panels. So this one controls the bath, the temperature, and the amount of water. And this control panel controls the toilet. And honestly, I'm still getting used to all these Japanese buttons, so I'm still learning. Another major difference is air conditioning. Japanese homes don't have central AC. Instead, each room has its own unit that you operate separately. And now, before we head out for the day, this is our genkan, the entryway to our home. It's where we take off and put on our shoes.
All right, let's get it.
Okay, let's get going. We made it in 2 hands. We're trying to get some school supplies. What is it?
Yes, right here.
Is that an inu?